Today, I'm going to reveal to you everything that I organize in my Asana account. Whether you're an online coach, a virtual assistant, an OBM like me, or any other online business owner, this video is going to give you a clear picture on how you can use Asana to level up your business. Asana is my digital hub for everything I do, and it can be for you too. Hi, my name is Samantha. I'm an online business manager and Asana systems specialist. If you like what you see here and you like to save time and mental energy in your online business, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video to help it reach more people just like you could use the help. In my business, I help other online business owners set up and optimize the free version of Asana. If you'd like to learn more about my services, you can head to the description and all the links are in there. So I often get asked how I organize my Asana, what all I use it for, and what are the best ways to organize all the things. So if you have a difficult time wrapping your head around how this can look in your business, then stay tuned and watch this whole video to see how an Asana systems specialist structures her organizational systems in Asana. That's me, by the way. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, I want to let you in on a little secret. If you're someone who is as passionate about productivity and organization as I am, you are going to love this. I've created an online program called Asana Essentials, which is designed to help you save time and mental energy in your online business with a streamlined business through organizational systems in Asana. It's packed with Asana tutorials, 15 system templates with step-by-step walkthroughs so you know exactly how to use them, and strategies that I've personally crafted to make Asana work harder for you. Now, I won't give away all the secrets just yet, but I'll be sharing a taste of what you can expect in Asana Essentials in this video. Trust me, it's a game changer you don't want to miss. Oh, and you can grab Asana Essentials at the link in the description. All right, enough teasing. Let's jump into the practical side of things and explore how I use Asana to stay organized and on top of everything. All right, so I have a biz info project. Anything relevant and important to my business is stored here. So I have things like my product links, my Zoom call link so that I can quickly, when I'm on my phone, because Asana has an app as well, I can quickly pull it up, copy the link and give it to somebody. I also have my key brand images, my bio, my mission statement, all of those kind of things that have to do, like literally everything that has to do with my business goes in here. I have testimonials, I have affiliate links, I have any podcasts that I've appeared on so that I can quickly reference those. Next, I have my tasks and ideas project. This is where I store anything basically that comes to my mind. This is huge for saving mental energy because I don't have to store it in my head and try to remember it later. If it's an idea that I want to come back to, if it's a task that doesn't need to be done right away, but that I do want to do later, I can put it in Asana. I can either assign it a due date or just leave it sitting here to come back to later. I frequently check this so that nothing gets forgotten about. I also have my recurring tasks in here, any recurring tasks that I have going on for my business, whether it's weekly, monthly, daily. All right, so the next one is my education project. This is where I store any courses that I have signed up for, that I've purchased, that I'm going to watch for free or have watched for free. Do you know how sometimes you buy online business courses and then you lose track of time and you get really busy and you don't actually complete them? Well, this ensures that that doesn't happen. So this keeps me on track. I can set due dates. I can just have it stored there so that I know that these are the ones that I purchased and I haven't completed yet. I have it listed in that way as well to make sure that I know which ones I still have to complete. And as I said, I can set due dates to keep myself on track, and that is extremely helpful. I also keep notes of any like podcast episodes or YouTube shows that I found really helpful and that I want to make notes from. I keep those in there as well. So the next one is my team management. So I have one assistant at the moment, and so that is where I keep track of anything that has to do with her, or when I'm going to onboard a new team member, I have the checklists and all my processes in there so that I know exactly what I need to do when that hiring process happens and also when that onboarding process happens. Those things help me with that. All right, so the next one is my SOP bank. I store all of my SOPs in this project, and I also have my SOP template in here as well. You can actually get this for free in the description below. I'll link it. I have it available for free on my website so you can see exactly how I set this up, and I'll walk you through it as well and explain everything to you. But basically I just have all of my SOPs in here so that I know where to find each and every procedure when we need to know how to do a certain procedure in my business, and then the template for creating new ones as well. The next one I have is my business plan. So this, I do a new one for each year. So I have my 2023 business plan right now that I'm looking at. So I have it separated by month, and I just keep track of all my goals, everything I want to accomplish in my business within each month throughout the year. Okay, and then the next section is for client management. So I have my template for new clients in there as a project that I copy every time I get a new client, and this helps me onboard them, and I have a checklist that I go through, and it helps me manage them as well. I have things in there like important links that I need, important information, as well as reminders and recurring tasks that need to get done as well. Everything that has to do with that client goes into that client's task. I have two separate ones because I have my online business management clients and then my Asana VIP setup clients. So I have a template for each, and then all of the clients have their separate projects within there. By the way, if you'd like to see any of my exact organizational systems for any of these projects, let me know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe, and you just might see a future video on it. All right, so the next one I have is for content management. So I have a YouTube project. That is where I keep track of all of my YouTube videos, and my workflows are in there. I have a template for each new video that I use every time that I have a video that I want to plan. I copy that template, and then my workflow is already in there with my assistant assigned to the things she needs to be responsible and me assigned to the things I need to be responsible for. So all of that information is there for every time I am planning a new YouTube video, and then I move it, I have it set up as a board, and I move it from one section to the other when it applies. So I have like when I'm outlining, when I'm recording, when I'm editing, and so on, so that it's moving through there and up until it's completed. And then I have a separate one for my YouTube ideas and any to-dos. So any of those recurring tasks that I need to do, I have these in here because I don't want them interfering with my actual content calendar, which is my other YouTube project. So not the tasks that go with that, like with a video, but the general tasks. So like on YouTube video release day, I have a series of tasks that I need to complete on that day. I also have my YouTube recording, like this is a task, and then my YouTube planning, things like that, like the general overall YouTube tasks will go in this one. And then, as I said, all of my ideas go in here as well, so that when I'm going to plan, I can just go through my ideas and pick which ones that I want to do this week. And then those get moved into the YouTube project and get copied into that template, as I mentioned before, and then it goes from there. All right, and then I have a social media. I call it Instagram, but Instagram is my main social media aside from YouTube. It's my main short form platform, so I have it called Instagram, and then as I've mentioned in previous videos, I repurpose from there. But this one I have for Instagram, so I have it set up as a calendar, and everything is nicely color-coded. I store all of my ideas in here. I have templates for my workflows, again, just like with the YouTube project. I store my hashtags in here, and I have my content pillars, all the information necessary, as well as the actual content calendar. So it's for planning, it's for organizing, it's for ideas, and for actual like putting it into that content calendar and scheduling it out. All right, so the next one I have is for tracking any leads. So anytime I have a new lead on a prospective client, if someone books a discovery call, if I'm just chatting with someone, any type of lead goes in here. I have them separated in different categories, and then I also have whether I have the result as well in here, so then I can move them to the result that happened, whether they signed as a client, whether they were not interested, whether I was not interested, all of those things. I have those in sections. It's nice because I can always go back and track, how many converted to a client, and what may have went wrong, because I have my notes in there as well. So everything goes in there, so it keeps me on track when it comes to following up with leads and making sure that no leads slip through the cracks, but also for looking back at and trying to improve my processes when it comes to, you know, signing prospective clients and things like that. I can look back at my notes and see like what helped, what didn't, and look at those outcomes. So next I have an area for my products. So any products that I have to manage, and I include my website in here as well, because that is kind of like a product that I have to manage. So any tasks that need to be done, any recurring tasks that go along with my products. So I have my Asana Essentials in here. I have my template bundles in here. So anything that comes up that I want to change. I also have sections for like future tasks that I want to do, like maybe I want to redo my website, but you know, it's not the time right now. I'll put that in there, and I'll put my ideas in there so that I don't forget what they are. And again, it saves that mental energy because I don't have to worry about remembering it. I just store it right in there. I also put in here testimonials particular to that product, and frequently asked questions that I can add to my landing page later. This makes it so easy to manage my products and my website because it's all just right here, and I can assign it to myself or to my assistant, and I can set due dates for all of the tasks, and it's just really helpful. All right, so my next section is for project development. So anytime that I am working to create a new project, like a course or a template bundle or anything, that will get created in that section. So currently I don't have any active project development happening right now. I'm not creating any new projects. So that is mostly an empty team, but I do have a template for my product creation for when I do want to create one in the future. So I don't have to remember all the steps that I need to do when it comes to creating a new product or course. All right, and then next I just have my personal team, which manages my personal life, but I won't go into all of that because the purpose of this video is how I organize my business in Asana as an OBM. Let me know in the comments if you use Asana for personal use too, or if you just use it for business. Okay, now don't forget to make your life easier, and instead of trying to figure out how to set up all of these systems yourself, grab Asana Essentials in the description box below, and I'll give you my exact system templates. I'll show you exactly how to use them, plus so much more. Head to the link in the description now. Trust me, you won't regret saving all that time and mental energy. All right, I hope that this video was helpful for you and gives you a clearer picture on how you might look to use Asana to organize your business. Okay, I will see you next week. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.